Friends, welcome. In this video, you're going to learn top 1 tools that you can use to make money in crypto market during bull and bear market. I will show you real examples how to use it by one trade. And let's start. The tool called Domain Footprint. Domain Footprint consists from 3 parts, and let's cover each one of them. And at the end, watch till the end, because exactly at the end, I will show you powerful example that you can multiply in the future. First part of Domain Footprint, it is a DOM. Yeah, it sounds funny, but a DOM, it is a depth of market. What's power of this? It shows to you where people set their pending orders, limit buy, limit sell. Why it's so important? Because you will see in the next part of this video how price bounce from these places really so well. Have a look what it shows to you. This part, it is a price. Where you see this line, it is a price. Above a price, we see a limit sell orders. This part, it is a DOM of Ethereum. This part, it is a DOM for Bitcoin. For example, at this price, 20,502, someone said 320 Bitcoins limit sell. We don't know reasons why people did, why they did it, but we can see real numbers. Second part, Domain Footprint, it is a real-time trades. It's so important, this part important, especially if you do scalping, because it shows to you what people do exactly at the moment. This part is example for Dogecoin and from Ethereum. And third part of a Domain Footprint, it is a footprint by itself. Why footprint? It's also awesome part because it shows to you where people did trades. For example, at this price, at this time, 1,300 Ethereum traded at this price. Footprint, how you can read a footprint? Imagine that you can see a candle, but when you watch on a candle, you just see something like this. But footprint, it is a number that traded inside that candle, that's it. And because in every candle, people did some trades. Why and how to use it? Because quite often when some people bought, for example, big number, you will see examples how price react on that stuff and bounce from it. Let's go to how can we use this stuff. First and best approach where we can use Domain Footprint, it is by scalping trading strategies. I will show to you one beautiful trade. I hope in the future you will trade it. Before I ask you to push like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, below this video there would be additional lessons to Domain Footprint. I highly recommend you to watch. And share with me in the comments, do you like this stuff? Should I share with you more stuff about Domain Footprint? Let's do this Dogecoin example. Have a look. It was 2 days ago, the situation on Dogecoin. I traded this situation. What happened? At this price, 65.4800, someone set massive 8,000 limit order. Honestly, there were a bigger limit order because already 1,200,000 traded. We see it in a footprint. And there are one strategy in scalping that calls bounce from big size. Have a look. Price approach to big size, and quite often it's bounce from that. Let me show to you how it played out. This part, it is a real time. I recorded the trade. It was a real time. And this part, it is a DOM and footprint Shiba Inu, spot market and futures market. And this one, it is a Dogecoin futures market. And pay attention only to, my friend, pay attention only to this one. Only to this part. And have a look what's going on. Have a look how price bounced, how price approached to it. This part, it is in my trades. I understand that for you it could be a little bit complicated. For me it also was complicated. Share with me if you need any additional help. I will help you with that. Let's go and let's go on. Pay attention, my friend, how price rose beautifully. Pay attention on this. And have a look how price bouncing from this. Have a look. What's beauty of this approach? That our stop losses is so low because have a look on this example. I open a trade, my average position was this one, 65.52. And stop loss was only such small. It is approximately 7 ticks. So small stop losses, it's nearly impossible to have in other approaches. And have a look on the result of this trade. Result of this trade, of course, it was really successful and price beautifully bounced from that size. That means people set limit order and Bitcoin, just because of one limit order, and you saw it in the dominant footprint, bounced so much, bounced by approximately 5%. I closed my position in average at 1.5%. That's it. Risk reward in this case were approximately 1 to 10. Once more, my friend, I highly recommend you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because you will get updates about such useful stuff that will help you make money by crypto trading. Also watch this lesson where I show to you my real trades, real examples, how you can make money by crypto scalping. Bye.